Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Wesley Chapel and we're starting this 3-car garage with optional baseboards. But we do have to remove this coating. As you can see the gloss on the coating. We're grinding that off. We have coating removal tools on there right now. And you can see that coating is everywhere and it's tenacious to get off. So our first step is to run it with coating removal tools. That's going to allow us to go back and diamond grind it. You can see here how rough these leaded edges are. These are going to take a lot of work. So we are going to square and round them over. And they're going to look real good and they're going to be very serviceable. We are going to fill the cut lines on this. That's going to give us a seamless surface. So now in the next segment, you're going to see us going back with diamond tooling and doing the profile pass. Okay, now we're into the diamond grinding process. So as you saw in the previous segment, what we had done was we removed the coating. And now that we've got the coating off, what we're doing now is we're going back and we're running diamond grinding tooling. And what this is going to do is this is going to profile the floor for coating application. Now you can see over here we got a really good profile on this floor. This is really going to grab onto our epoxy. It's going to sit on the floor for 8 hours and it's really going to get into this concrete. Okay, so our grind and our prep and our repairs are done. We're ready to put this floor in. See, we had some pretty good sized repairs along the leaded edge, but you can see where that leaded edges come from. The control joints are filled for a seamless surface. A lot of divots. You can see we got a really good grind on this. Down to the aggregate. This job is going to get baseboards. We put a little epoxy primer up there for a little bit of color. This color blend is Coyote. Okay, here's our project. We'll finish it up. It looks really, really good, especially from where we came from. As you saw in the previous segments, there was a coating on here that was difficult to remove. So we did 2 grinding passes. The first pass was to remove the coating and sort of get that gloss off of it, because diamonds will cut if it has that gloss on it. You got to get that gloss on it, remove as much as you can, and then switch over to diamond tooling and then grind it all over again. So there were some complexities on this job, primarily with the workbench, and the coating was very difficult to remove. So you can see how nice it looks underneath that workbench now. A lot of effort went into to grind it all back right to the wall, including the baseboard. So we're going to remove the coating, then go back and diamond grind it. Some more details around the fixture. That's what the optional baseboard looks like. It looks really good. So this is why we fill the cut lines. So aesthetically the floor looks great because there's no seams running up and across your floor. But what happens too is those cut lines accumulate dirt. So if you leave them, you're gonna have a lot of dirt in your garage in those cut lines. You saw the previous segments, the leaded edges were very, very rough. I take the coating off in addition to squaring them up and rounding them over. You can see how good they look. This is a UV stable polyaspartic top coat. Got another look at the whole job. Looks really great. And as you saw where it came from. Just some more details here with the baseboard. How nice that finishes things in. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.